Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit representing Doremi and thank you for subscribing our channel. It's a great motivation for us. I hope you all are fine. It's your platform too. Doremi, a platform, nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Let's learn something new today. Join Doremi. Be creative and smart by learning art and craft.
Hello everyone. Doremi presents today a traditional toy making. We have online coaching also. Students learn from us from all over the world. This is the part 1. Our part 2 video will come on next week. You should keep watching the video and practice it. Even you can share any of your artwork and other talent also. We will promote your talent through our channel. So contact and learn from us and be a part of our students gallery. Please don't skip, watch the full video. We are going to make today the traditional toys. This is the one of the famous traditional toys all over the world. So keep watching. This is my Photoshop and here I have taken a A4 size of paper and I will fold the paper from the middle. So I have drawn a line that you can understand. Now I am drawing a line from my left side and right side, and this will be measured in the scale 1 semi. Now left side of my paper, in the middle I have to make another folding. This is the folding that I have got. Same things I have to apply in my right side also to make one more folding. You can see now 4 part. Now in every part in the middle we have to make one more folding. Look, in the first part I am making a folding in the middle. Again second part making one more folding. Now in the right side making the folding in the middle, one more folding. Now we can see 8 part. No more folding. Our folding is done. From left and right side, the 1 semi measured both the part we will fold. After folding we cannot see, so we are coloring it grey for your better understanding. Now our all parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 part you can see. Now we will start our drawing. I am changing my color that you can understand, you can see nicely, but you will not change the color, you will draw with the pencil. I have drawn 2 red dot in the right part and the left part. In this middle dot, the figure we are drawing, the waist part of the figure will meet there. Now I have drawn the face, right side and left side, but left side face is different than right side. Left side is going to be a man and right side is going to be a woman. So look how I am drawing. Now I am going to draw the coat of the man, and I am not drawing it is my own. I am doing the traditional toys, so exactly I am doing the pattern is done. I am maintaining the form of art. The man's hand, you can see it is covered full hand, but for the woman is wearing the blouse, so her full hand will not be covered. She is wearing bangles in her hand. You can see the form is so simple but so effective. I have drawn the blouse line, you can see. Now I am drawing the ornaments. Once upon a time, men and women both were used to with ornaments. Now look, along with the shoulder lines of both the figure, I have drawn dotted line, and from there I have started to draw one more figure, and this figure in short in height because this is a boy. I am maintaining the same format that I maintained with both other figures because this is the form of traditional toys. I have drawn the hands, but in this hand I am drawing a toy. As it is a boy, so I have drawn the toy. Now we will learn this craft manually. So this is a paper landscape format. Now right to left I will make a fold. Look, I have made a fold, so I have this way I have got the fold exactly in the middle. I have opened it. Now from the left side I will make a fold. This is the scale 1 semi. You can see 1 semi. Okay, measure the 1 semi and then fold along with that. Then other side also I will make same fold. You can see. Now I will turn the paper and again I will make another folding from left side. Same thing I will do right side. Now you can see how I have done. Again the right side I will make another folding. In that same thing I will do in my left side also. And you can see whole the paper I have folded in small part. So if I open, you can see how it looks. Now I will make from my left side a mountain folding. It is called mountain folding. Okay, now I will take the right side and I will make another mountain folding. In the middle also I will do same things. Look how I have done. Now this is ready, the base of our traditional toys. You can see in the middle both of the place that is plain, flat. You can see from the sides also the right and left and the middle is coming out. So let's start our drawing, and these are the traditional toys we will draw. You can use scale to draw the crown. Okay. Now I will draw the face for the man. Look how it is pointed in the chin, and these are the round face, oval face for the woman. Now neck and shoulder, same will be here. There will be not such difference in the shoulders of the figures. Now this is the waist part. I have drawn a line. Use your scale again to achieve a straight line. Now hand. Same hand will draw here, but the difference is this: the man is wearing full hand dress and the woman is not wearing full hand. The woman is wearing blouse. Now I have drawn the coat for the man and the woman will wear sari. Sorry to say, today is this much. We will learn in our next part. And you please keep watching the video and learning with that.